ekasanda sebru kasadai domase nananu mi entie we so sabe mi jinama aya Bama Eric Sogu yababa na sabo ne ba Eric Sogu amami abuhye aya Mrs Grace Donko wona baba ba se omade nyina ana akuri enabiri chegase warwa wanum ba ya 1000 Ghana cedis wamone wanum eba omade nyina baba Eric Sogu aya 10 million nyagopo shampa that's it bro
yo ba Joyce one Henrietta Sogu baby amu obi anam de maso FM wasa eye Muhammad nyina Apache construction and I can say said the battery boy was see was 1,000 new Ghana cedis and Canadian no opidu 10 million nyame o free musro no isra be me efa emaye yo na matira konya misra mu ni die mu na sakakra Genia Ejina Magis Angels Educational Center School Papa Kope the whole Ghana international Angel the original and then numre Yejina Nini Obiasa Yenia Godfather Nana Sego Ejina or your school Godfather Ba Kope Empenifo man say any sabi efie nyina na manta manwaru papa and so no your godfather ntie 34 years nyame adoma 4th February school na 34 years no more de Kumasi for the 7 nanum am say na ji smart yankapa enti se ne ye jina han nyame adom ye namna emfie poli dokunu ochwe. This school is the school will live forever. A school akwalaba ye ni mo akwala bon. School assistant separate. Enti kurani ni pa ni brege. Akwalaba school mu bi aja dance ye ba ye wu bebre doctors lawyers. So if you are the proud of any man is what Godfather ma nyami sra daddy nyami sra pi every crate unto 2 or 4 today HS yes see nyami sra sense wudi akumapa attends to yeti am school yeti no be sister abreya daddy nyami sra sumpani fo emu atratra fo emu adwumaye fo nyina ne bai na nyame adoma da nyame be ya adoma me yi papa de yamsia yanko ha Jesus said me gugu hallelujah Magis Angel Educational Center say baya nya ye kan say ye kura yensem sikano opipi akionum titi yabaka say 50 million another yabaka say 5,000 Ghana cedis Yabo me pusiano nyame adoma ebimu busube beni force ade afedi scan enema ye hu nyina scan ye de ye enti ebusia monfa entika so fam kan kodnemu fom na the Magis Angels Educational Center ye ne ye mofra ne atrerefo ye school penifo ye ba ye so ye ne daddy nyame so bi akoma pa odi ate
ye du akrofo so de beka ya no mo ada Jira ha na mi jira ma emema ewari efie ho ene ma wari fie na so nsenum na ake ho bomo ese bede empanyini bu bebi se praye yi ba ko na ka bomo emo ne nyina bomo sia na jeya futu frofo de ntem frofo da efo komye bia ne yakọ aduane yedim na se twetwere na anu madama empanyini se ufie ebese ye no nkire so na obewu kane sabre mi jira ha na said emani meme wadi fio na ye mo nsenom sieni wo se de ye won tayi onamo ye ni na abede wo ba ye de di kan wo mu kra enso ayo so matom ema wo mu nso no so o ma nto de Ghana ha if United States and Canada and Australia wo mu kra enso ma ko adiasa we are so ko wa de pa and I'm not a party there. Daddy, I come out call the asa. Yan fan some dom. Woman, ye do so ya Macumako Adiono 20. Woman, ye proninsa. A woman, the money of Crossrono. yɛsɛ deɛ wode nsuo yɛ no nsa yɛ nyɛ yi na nano mu twɛ paa wɔsɛ bɔ mpaeɛ kɔfie so ɔsɛ mbɔ mpaeɛ na anomɔde ama enti polisi apɛtu mu nyɛ mofa bi nto akonnwa ase abusua panyin sɔde a na ano mofa bi nso fam sɛ yɛgye ne kɔsoɔ sɛ roma asɔfoɔ na abaase ne sɔfo ba na wɔse daabi da ɛdi agyina bubu sɛ wɔse kristo so mo ama ne amammerɛ wɔ hɔ monya ne amammerɛ anim wɔn mu wie yɛsi nom sɛ maa ne mmarima nyina da sika de akyerɛ ɛyɛ ɔpe maako aduonum 5,000 Ghana cedis yɛ kukuru mpanie 50 million wei na ɛkyɛ nsa mpa wiase wokɔ wɔde pa na nanom wodi fufu a ɛposi mu ɛne adene kwan nyame nhyira mo da se pro da mo ase
okay ɔhene ba Nana Masagu ɛne deɛ mada na utie ɛnkyɛ ɛna osɔfo ɛbɛkyiayɛ Bishop Dr. Akwasi Kwarteng Bishop Dr. Kwarteng or Sipra of Love Chapel International. Ewiem sɔfo pania ye Kenya mia sema nyamesem empaibo enye yanom die abeba nkitinkiti bia wo homa me nwalew o ma me na eyew opa ene na tutu ni ajisu pe ya tutu atu kwetena kura nkumbi da papa igonye bi da no onye bi nso da Bishop Dr. Akwasi Kwarteng ono ne kofa bai Emma Arena of Love Chapel International Sadios of Wakeni 1,000 Ghana cedis 1,000 Ghana cedis and Kanisicano 10 million Wahine ba Nana Masagu Eso so etunanada Mufantosu Esum Awo so for Pomo Pong Yakupo Chauba Yejiwe Iswe Yamami Harita Sagu Any dear Madana Uti and Chai and Oblajumati Yamami and a Dano Debia Mana Koho and a Mama Misha Bemebi Mama Messemana Bas for Pomona Mema Nemrebi Niasia how Panyas and Kedra Debia Mana Neba Lebum a man more quad Nakum set example Munkonam Kodam Kulmas Naso Marco Homa and Wonshami and only a Branodo Munkonam Kumum Kulmabasu Oh said the 500 Ghana cedis and Kanisicano 5 million Nano Monje Lanfantosu Esumawa Eba Mame Febita Dakashon Gratimile and watching in a Epiamo Mama Marisa Nebia Utiemi or Fautiemi Drama Aya Nico family Mama Nico Abrotia de Sepropo United Kingdom Madame Masonian Papa Noir Bama Nico Siwa Bayana the England Dofo Papa Bin as a Sunan Tobu Shengina 600 Ghana Chopable City 6 million Bama Nico Kokodu Frantonfre Akwaba when I attend to Bemo Tutua as I crabo Posomini over Pamunia Woodroche Simpi Kanya Krebri for the Nasi Shumanga Abafa Bama Nana Sego Kroya and Kenny Obaba Toso Damwasi.
Yeah, mama.
Obako kodufo na koko proti so obaya santo a koko sani kuku ono na edru ha no Oba bebie oba sese Oba mentira di Ani nyansa na abona bu afro asai wane aya afro ishiko esiademo Sabe wana akra ekwera Yakupo Champa Sabe Azapo ni bokum mira ana ebisademo Tiawambra kwaso Wadu obia ina esre Wambra kwaso Oyina ase Yakupo Champa Damwase
Actually, Bama no. That's what a Bama. Ocean Shumaka. Something in an aircraft. That was.
Nana Kataba House. I went on the bed in Chica for Anna Casse. The man, Papa said, Chica for a massive. The man said, almost 1,000 new Ghana cities. I can't know or Pidu 10 million. Nami Shroud. Your Mama Evelyn Sego. Oh no, ma, maybe I will be. Madame, I'm going to take a cry. Aya Obaya Kunadu Yado was a 400 new Ghana cities. I can't know or Penai. Nami Oshrano. I mean, I am very free. Aya Ghana, Uncle Sebele, and Tuma. Dear, you want my one store, Cassia, you free moon. I am Mr. and Mrs. Darcy. One and another year, see, and this will be my demi Rubita. Yanam Kojamo, I am man more. Mama Elizabeth Ola, who the somebody will produce him. Sabre, I understand Mrs. Darcy. I hear Julie Pops Enterprise. One woman, no mama, may and then imagine that. Woman is Sika Penti, Sika and then one pa. The one show by 500 Ghana choppable cities. It's money in our show. It is when a number seven. We then see Swano Mama Joyce. And then to make us a Yama money a corner to do. That was say, Yapu Persian Pa. Here the Munira say, you should have said, Sabri, you should have said, Yamasa, Mrs. Dazi, William Cropo, which that's your proof. So friend swan na so the anything we had no swati e ye no ansise ye bia ye de ebeba abeto epia
yewra abufa original above for then that to Messi Ankara Casroya pepe won so edromo eba betia bema abufa on then that Messi Ankara Casroya the Dromo HA, the Momo Aqua, original Ambo. That's it, the Mamma Fine. That's Messianka Casroya.
Na waba yesra no abenye wodie na ayefe sade e meka ye na me seti mubie ebia sorry free fear. What's me castle? Me couple seven. I'm not dear. There you know what she say. Any dear. Send you the dick. I can't. Get me and fun to your ever have a breno and so yeah. A be free. I say to Yamikasi. I want to know to swap. Never say you do free beba. It's your breath one. Your man of war as soon as yeah as soon as you know Bibia as your mama Joyce Sago. You know my name. And the official you know that I'm the man so friendly. I pay appear. I would you and then I say that you know do a preview. Send the Aussie was it 2000 new taxes and Canadian or pre-entry 20 million. I mean, I'm free now we shall get a senior man.
I'm going to do it now from my motor. Here we are, complex, no, Dr. Anderson.
Baby Naya Faki. airport. Rita.